Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to move Kingdom and Kingshot. Here's how to move your Kingdom and Kingshot. One of the easiest ways is by using alliance teleporters if you're part of an alliance, allowing you to teleport closer to your alliance leader. Alternatively, you can use random teleporters, which are rechargeable up to 10 times and free to use, though they transport you to a random location. For more precise relocation, you can purchase specific teleporters through the in game shop, VIP packs, limited time events, or sales, usually costing around 1,000 gems each. While random teleporters are convenient, having targeted teleporter ensures you move exactly where you want. Remember to plan your move carefully, checking the surrounding area for resources, enemy activity, or strategic locations so your kingdom not only relocates successfully but also maintains safely and efficiency and Kingshot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.